Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be framing this fairly rare Ferrari Formula 1 3D poster that's been in my family since it was new in I think 1978 or 79. And you can kind of see there it's a thin styrene plastic that's vacuum formed, and you can kind of see here that it's three-dimensional. It's a really interesting poster of a Ferrari 312 T2, I believe is what the car is. And what's cool about it is it's actually pops out towards the viewer. And these are really, really rare. I've never seen another one like this come up for sale on eBay, and I'm on there all the time. I do see the Yardley McLaren one come up for sale sometimes on there. And anyway, I had it. It needs to be put into a frame, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in a frame. It's always just been kind of hanging around in my parents' basement, and I finally brought it home a couple years ago after my father passed away. But he bought it new at Kmart. I'm pretty sure it was in 1979. I was with him when he actually bought this, so it's pretty cool. But pretty sure, looking at Google Images, that this is Niki Lauda in here. They tried to disguise it. Someone added these two stripes onto the photograph. But I'm pretty sure that's who it is in the photo. But for whatever reason, it's missing. Goodyear normally would be on this wing on the back here as well. So I don't know if this was during testing phase or what with the car, but it's a pretty large poster. So I got a 12-inch by 36-inch frame. And I'm going to just try to put it in there without the plastic, without the plexiglass. So this came from Walmart, just a $15 frame basically, but they're pretty nice. I have my F40 picture. Sometimes that it's up above here. Let me zoom up. I have that in my right there, the F40s, and that in the same frame. So pretty nice frames for 15 bucks. So thought we'd go ahead and give us a shot here, because I know some of you guys out there are really into Ferraris. I used to be, as a child, really into Ferraris. Not as much as I got older, but I still do love the older Ferraris. And I was a big fan of Formula 1 Ferraris growing up in the 70s. and early 80s. I thought that was a really exciting time. Of course, it was also an extremely dangerous time for the drivers. In the 70s, we lost a lot of drivers. So I just thought this might be something a little different than always doing die-cast videos. So we'll go ahead here and take this apart and hope this works. But yeah, these frames from Walmart are actually pretty darn nice for the money. And it's an odd size. So I guess they're more for like a panoramic photo. Alright, so what we're probably going to have to do is take this, I'm going to have to take this plexiglass or whatever this is, acrylic, out of here if I can get it out. And I got that glued in, because I don't know, maybe if that would work or not. Maybe I can actually get that to go in without removing that, but no, of course not. Well, I probably could leave that and just mount it to the back there. Maybe I should just leave that in now, protect it from the elements and dust and everything. Here you can kind of see there how it's vacuum formed. Isn't that wild? I don't know. I've never seen another poster like that. I know they made this company is called from out of Italy. It was Nova Rico, and it's dated 78, Florence, Italy. They made like puppy pictures and stuff too, I guess, for kids bedrooms that were vacuum formed when I did a search on Google. Let's see, now I got that half popped out of there. Try to get that back in. There we go. Now I got my fingerprints all over everything. Oops. So maybe it would be better just to mount it like that, but then I'll have to add like a hanger, I guess, on there, because that's not gonna, I don't want to trim the poster down. This isn't really working as way as I thought it would, but I think that would look really cool though in there. If I can get, I think I'd have to do that and then just put a hanger on there. That way at least protects it. Alright, got that mounted in there. Taped on, I should say. Now I marked. Should be 19 inches. I'm just going to put one of these hangers I had here. We'll do one of them. Alright. Okay, so I just used some cellophane tape. Tape that to the back. I think that'll be good and I'll protect it. That looks pretty cool in there. So what do you guys think of that? It's pretty cool, huh? Almost looks like you're looking out a window at the real thing. Pretty cool. So I might have to put that up here with the F40. Maybe I can put it back here for now. Have that as my new background for a little while, maybe. Alright, so there you go. So thanks for checking it out, everyone. Thanks for watching me mount my 3D poster in the frame. And it's bigger than, I know it looks pretty small probably on video, but it's pretty long. I mean, here's my hand is here. So it's pretty large. It's basically about 40 inches long, about 12 inches. Pretty cool. Alright, so thanks for checking it out, and hopefully you guys like that. And sometime maybe I'll give a tour of my basement, my office area, if anyone's interested in my little so-called man cave area sometime. Alright, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, take care now. Bye now.